Oh, slow down. You're making my milk curdle.
Are you kidding? We're moving at a snail's pace.
A snail's pace is just fine with me.
Oh, Ermintrude. That's the nicest thing you've ever said.
Relax, Doogie. Soon this whole crazy trip will be behind us.
Behind us!
What I said, man.
Now look behind us!
You can't leave.
Faster!
Look at Chewie. Heads up.
Oh, dude. Talk about a near-death experience. I thought I saw the light at the end of the tunnel.
That is the light at the end of the tunnel. We're gonna be all right. And Seabed's still trapped in the temple.
Then, like, who's that? His evil clone? Mini-Z?
Where's my third diamond?
Very assertive, sir.
Oh, no! Hang on! Somebody pull a lever, press a button or something!
Okay, this one looks like it's for the radio, this is for the AC, and this one looks green. Or it could be an ejector seat.
What was that? I think we've been hit.
Where am I? I've been blinded! I'll never make it to the carousel now!
Huh? So that's where they're headed. The carousel! And that is where I'll find my third and final diamond! Ha 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 ha! So long, Slimeball! Sam, we have a prisoner up there we need to dispose of.
Dispose of the prisoner? We can't do that, sir. Geneva Convention, sir.
I don't care if it's a Star Trek convention! Trekkies, nerd alert! Beam him out!
Brian!
Sorry about that.
Ermintrude, you saved me. We're gonna lose this race to Thomas the Tank Engine? I don't think so. More coal!
Shoveling as fast as I can, sir.
Whoa! Trouble! Dead ahead!
Fine. Now it's time to stick it to the man. Or the dog, the snail, the cow, etc. You guys know what I mean.
The pressure! It's too much!
Sam, I know. Not to get all Dr. Phil on you, but you need balance in your life or you just explode.
Funny you should say that, sir.
Ooh! That little blue van just blew up!
That's the good news. And the bad news is...
I can fly!
No, I can't. I'm fine. I broke the ball with my face.
Ermintrude, are you all right?
Well, Brian, I'd have been better with a shell.
Guys, let's get moving. At least Seabed doesn't know where the last diamond is.
Yeah, that's not exactly true. Back there on the train, I was dazed and confused, and it sort of slipped out.
It slipped out.
Oh, like you never been confused before?
Yeah, but it's just, what?
Blaming each other won't solve anything. Now let's get on the train.
I think I just pulled a gasket. Attention passengers, we may experience a delay.
Can you put any weight on it?
Yeah, I'm out of service.
Well, you did fall half a mile out the sky.
The sun is setting.
Then you gotta keep moving without me.
Just keep it elevated, man.
You can make it. Just follow our tracks.
Don't worry about me.
Wow, that was irritating. Should have got the insurance. Sam, quit loafing around and let's get moving.
Sorry, sir. Not doing too well. Did you, see a bright light?
Yes, Sam, I've seen the light. It's a light bulb that went off in my head that makes me realize I never should have counted on you in the first place. As my apprentice, you're fired.
Sorry, sir. Is there any severance package?
Well, the best I can do is not freeze you. Hasta la vista, Woodman.
Peace out. Villains, they can be so cruel.